Hey there, this is Jeremy from Matrix Integrated in Bend, Oregon. Again, showing you a 2019 Sprinter 4x4. Just finished up a Agile Offroad onboard air compressor setup using an ARB twin compressor from Australia. So we cleanly mount it in the passenger side of the engine bay. So it's tucked back there really nicely. Comes with the mounts, the ports, covers, so everything keeps clean. Plug the supplied air hose in here. Go back inside make sure the accessory position's on, which it is. Using a factory bulb switch from Mercedes, which we can put a little air sticker on if you'd like. So now the compressor primes and supplied hose with a air chucks long enough to connect to all 4 tires, as well as if we remove it. Now that compressor is going to run a little bit and build up pressure. I'll show you in the back here. Nice conversion, by the way. So in the back here, we've got a second port, a nice Agile bracket. So this client does a lot of mountain biking, as you can see by his park set up there on the rear door. So now he can fill his mountain bike tires just from the rear. As well. So super clean setup. Again, Agile Offroad onboard air kit, front and rear ports. This is Jeremy at Matrix Integrated here in Bend, Oregon. You can visit us on the web at www.matrixintegrated.cc.